What's good, y'all? It's Fresco BK, and we almost back outside, but we still unboxing from home. So today we're taking a first look at the Flint Air Jordan 13. So say less with all this talking, y'all. Let's get straight to these shoes. Flint 13 is one of the more highly anticipated releases from Jordan Brand in 2020. Yes, it is an OG colorway, but it is a non-Chicago centric OG colorway, outside of a few of the low 13s that released during that time. But on May 17th of this year, during the final 2 episodes of The Last Dance, there was a shock drop release on the Nike sneakers app for the Flint Jordan 13. So here we have the box top, silver Jumpman box with the red detailing. Of course, this is a classic Jumpman box. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I absolutely have to have these. And this is the Flint Air Jordan 13. Originally released in 1998 and retro 2 times prior to 2020, in 2005 and in 2010. So shouts out to the OG, and shouts out to Jordan Brand for bringing back the 3M and also the hologram. So you'll see right there the 3M underlay detailing that lives throughout the entire upper, inner, and outer panel. You'll see the hologram logo that features the 23 and also the Jumpman. As we get to the tongue, you'll see the Carolina blue Jumpman, also the white tumble leather, and the toe box also features the tumble leather that has been seen on several remastered retros from the Jordan Brand. Back to the outer panel, we get to the Flint gray suede that lives just above the midsole. We have the white laces that live right there just under the tongue. And as we get to the outsole, features the black Flint gray and translucent detailing that runs throughout the entire outsole, and of course the Jumpman logo. As I stated earlier, this is an OG colorway that is non-Chicago centric, but some of your favorite Jordan Brand styles are OG colorways but are in no way connected to Chicago. Just to name a few, that's the Royal 1, the True Blue 3, the Columbia 11, and of course the Flint 13 falls right in line in regards to those OG colorways that are not connected to Chicago. But Stadium Goods has a huge connection to Chicago, and we are still opening our doors this year, 2020. So please stay tuned, because COVID cannot stop us. However, even though the New York City store is closed, we're still online for global consumption. So make sure you guys visit stadiumgoods.com. Download the Stadium Goods app, available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with sneakers, accessories, and apparel, all from Stadium Goods. And speaking of apparel, make sure you guys check out our new Cabin Fever collection, because it's absolutely fire. Make sure you guys follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK. I'm about to go outside, and I'm about to go eat some of this food that they're cooking in the kitchen. Salud.